would you look at that? Snow in east central Mississippi. Well, a good Tuesday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Tuesday and a good start to the week. But over here in east central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you, it's in the upper 40s right now. Lord of mercy. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, it's very rare, extremely rare, that we get snow here in east central Mississippi. So what I did was I took a little drive, took some pictures, and I also sent the drone up during the snowstorm. Give me a second, and I'm finna show y'all. So I got about a 7-inch ruler. Let's see how much accumulation of snow we got. I'm gonna say that's a good 4 inches, 5 inches of snow. A little snowstorm that passed through east central Mississippi. I'm here to tell you, it was a delight to see because we very seldom get it. So that's what I wanted to share with y'all today. Again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Tuesday, and I hope everybody's being safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff, even in the snow. With that being said, you know it's coming, Dan. Referee sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.